god. I'm gonna spray some of this on me now. Alrighty. So this is the bottle. Not the bottle. So this is the box. Welcome back to the Life of Nounou. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and you might as well just follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. I'll have my handles somewhere on this screen. Today I'll be reviewing Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume. This perfume came out with her album release. I haven't listened to the album for a couple songs in there that I like and can vibe to. I'm just not an R&B person, not like my favorite type of genre. I'm more into like more upbeat music, like trap music. Let's get into it. I ordered this fragrance from Ulta. They were doing some kind of deal where if you spend some sort of money, you get a robe and you also get some slippers, which definitely made me want to buy it even more. I love wearing robes around the house. They're so comfy and it keeps me warm. I'm always cold, so that's always a plus for me. On the website, it was rated 4.5 stars, which is pretty high. Out of 5 stars, that's pretty good. So I have some high expectations for this perfume. I got the 3.4 ounce bottle, I believe, and that was $64. So what caught my eye about this perfume the most is the design of the bottle. It's shaped like a cloud, which I think is so pretty and so cool. I've never seen another bottle like that. I'm really big on fragrances. My mom had a big collection growing up, and when I was younger, I would always rearrange them and organize them and dust them off, smell all the different scents that she had, and it was awesome. Like, she had so many types, from higher end to lower end, like Dolce & Gabbana to Victoria's Secret, or even Bed Bath & Body Works. Bed Bath & Body Works. Yeah, that's how you say it. But some of them weren't always that great. Like, she had a couple that did have like that older woman, old lady scent, and that's just not, it gets a little overwhelming sometimes, you know what I mean? Ulta described this scent as oriental. It's supposed to have a hint of coconut, vanilla, jasmine, pear, praline, cashmere. I believe that is all those scents in one bottle. I was really intrigued on what that would smell like. The signature perfume is this Versace Yellow Diamonds one. This is literally like my 4th bottle. I wear this every day, all the time. Like, if you see me, you smell this. I get compliments on it as well all the time. It just goes, there's just some perfume that goes well with you as a person, and this is definitely me in a bottle. I love it so much. Also, my second favorite scent is the St. Kitts by Tommy Bahama. This perfume is more like tropical vacation vibe. It's really light and I really like it, and sometimes I mix the two together. But out of the two, the Versace one is definitely my favorite. Alright. Also, I don't know if I said this before, there was supposed to be a robe and some slippers that came with this bottle. So let's get into it.
On the track.
So this is the robe that came with it. It is pink. Pink. It's really soft. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Ulta. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep this on. Should I keep it on? I'm gonna keep it on. We have the slippers. Let's see what this is about.
On the track.
This is cute. Came in a bag like this. It says Ariana Grande. Let's see. Oh, I definitely just dropped that. Oh, they're cute. They kind of look like the UGG slippers. Yeah. There we go. Let's try them on. I'm gonna try them on. I'm probably not gonna show y'all. My toes aren't done. You know how that goes. They look like on. Pretty cute. So I'm definitely getting cozy vibes from this whole set. I'm loving it already. So let's get into it. Let's get into the perfume and see what it's like. This is a big box. Big box. Okay, Ari. Serving face. on the back. Look at that, so pretty. I like the box, it's really cute. It's like a fluorescent, that fluorescent vibe. The light dances on it, so it ranges from purple to pink to blue. Really cute. This is a money shot right here. She looks really good. I'm very intrigued to see what this looks like. Let's get into it. Okay, this little message right here, what does it say? A white puffy cloud of your very own to hold in your dreamy new fragrance. How cute! When you're ready to spray, just lift your bottle out of the cloud base. Replace when you're done to keep your bottle floating in the clouds. Alrighty, so there's instructions. So apparently this is like 2 pieces. Oh wow, this looks cute. This is something. How cute is this? I already got my fingerprint on it. This is so freaking cute. Look at that. This is exactly why I bought it. Look at the bottle. Like, how could you not? This bottle is so pretty. I love it. I love the shape, the colors, everything about it. So cute. So I'm assuming it's detachable. Yeah, so I think this is just like a little holder, a little stand or something, which is really cute. I love that. And yeah, so it says her name on the bottle, and it also says her name on the little cloud holder. So cute. And on the top, it's also shaped like a cloud. Let's see. Okay. It wasn't what I was expecting, but I still can't really tell. Let's spray it. Ooh. This smells like my friend Steph. It smells really good. This is Steph in a bottle. It's light. It is a sweet scent. You can definitely smell the jasmine, the lavender, the praline, and the vanilla. It's really sweet and it's not like overbearing. This is a good contender. I think this is gonna be on in my top 3. It smells really good. I'm really satisfied with this perfume. Oh, the packaging is fire. The smell, the scent is fire. Like, I don't really have any complaints. It's not too strong and it's not too light. I don't need to spray too much in order to make a good idea of what it smells like. It's really good. It's really balanced. It's not like one scent overpowers another scent. It's a really good mixture between everything. And it's a vibe. I could wear this daily. I could definitely wear this daily. I'm just in love with the bottle. I think the idea of having a bottle holder is genius. I don't have any perfumes that have that. That's really unique. So that's a really good touch. Good job, Ari. I would rate this fragrance a 10 out of 10. It just smells really good. I'm gonna close this video out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite fragrance, what do you wear daily, and what kind of scent do you not like. Hope you guys have an amazing evening, night, day, whenever you're watching this. Have a good one.
Can I take a car real quick, please?
What? Where?
3 Wendy's.
It's the ghetto in me, but so I got the 3.4 ounce bottle, and that was